Gwen Shamblin Lara was an American author and founder of the Christian diet program The Way Down Workshop and founder of the Remnant Fellowship Church. The distinctive aspect of her writing is the development of Christian weight loss programs. Lara earned an undergraduate degree in dietetics from University of Tennessee in Knoxville and then her master's degree in food and nutrition from Memphis State University. She was a registered dietitian, consultant, and was a faculty member at Memphis State University for 5 years. She also worked in the state's health department for an additional 5 years. Lara was raised in a Church of Christ family. She had 2 children and 7 grandchildren. As of March 1996, Gwen lived with her family in Ashlawn, a historic mansion in Brentwood, Tennessee, that was built in 1838. In 2018, she married Joe Lara. On May 29, 2021, Gwen died alongside 6 other church leaders, including her husband Joe Lara and son-in-law Brandon Hanna, when N-66BK, her 1982 Cessna Citation 501 private jet, bound for Palm Beach, Florida, crashed into Percy Priest Lake near Smyrna, Tennessee shortly after takeoff. Lara began her consulting practice in the area of weight control in 1980. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.